let us observe the Java bird, also called the jaybird, as he constantly looks and stalks his prey. His prey doesn't know yet he's here. He's still on the watch, a constant watch, for he never knows when danger approaches. The jaybird prepares to devour his prey and swoops down. The jaybird, obviously still on the prowl, looking to nail him. Crikey! What was that? That was so different. I've never seen a jaybird do that. Jaybird is flying away. What is he doing? Jaybird positioning himself well so that the koala bear is able to live free for another day. What is this? He descends! He chases his prey.
Yo, do that again!